here we are again. I'm going to go over the electrical system. Still haven't got everything running. Got the wheels. Pulleys fit. All I got to do is wait for the airframes to turn back in the brackets, water jet them out. Alright, first, power system, then the wiring, then the safety system. Be a short video. Here it is. Kind of looks like an aircraft setup. We got quad 4S batteries. I'm going to be running one per motor at a time. Run these two. First, I will mount a switch here. 90-degree switch, 400 amp. When I switch it, it'll be just like a reserve tank on a truck for fuel. It'll switch over to these, turn these off, bam, you're running again right after low voltage cutoff. I mounted it using all Velcro straps, hold the balancer wires in place, hold the batteries in place. Then I use blousing bands to hold on center so they don't slide left or right. This whole thing will get mounted in a backpack. And it's mounted on 5mm thick plexiglass. Not expensive, it's like 20 bucks. Dremel goes right through it, so you can cut everything you need to. Each one of the separator holes, and then up here so it doesn't slide. Also got the ESCs mounted. Got the TQI system mounted. Still got to run the splitter for the first one's hooked up. The second one I got to hook up for the other ESC. Still haven't made a center switch that turns on both at the same time because of the last video of the dual motor setup and voltage detection, but we'll get to it. These will get mounted here and here for power systems. That'll run up into a backpack. I won't be carrying this will be going in a backpack, and I'll show you how to separate it. So this will go all the way up. This will go into the backpack. I use this Cobra braid with 550 cord, or paracord as you would know it, to mount to the backpack. That will come in. It will get strapped. It'll mount into here, and that's how I'll carry it. Controller will be separate. Now, a lot of people fall off of these things. You slider guys out there know that it's not a very big contact patch, so you take too wide of a turn or too sharp of a turn too fast, it's going to slide out from under you. If that happens, bam, we got this. Each one of these is 8.5mm connectors. They're not name brand, not using like Castle or anything like that. But what these do is they're halfway plugged in. I've spread them just a little bit using a scratch awl just so they're really tight, but they're only halfway in. So one good yank, all of these will come off. When that happens, I'm going to install a gyro system using a few Arduino parts. If this board gets too much G-force in one direction, forward or back, it will automatically hit the brakes, and then bam, this will unplug. It'll slow itself down, it'll dump power off of it, everything will disconnect. Won't have to worry about it falling toward me or sliding way out to the middle of nowhere and bash up the motors. I know I said I'd be riding it this time, but live and learn. So, other than that, that's all I got. Still waiting on all these multiple 4mm connectors. Amazon's pretty slow, but they are the best place to shop. So once those are done, I'll be to solder everything on. Once the wheels get drilled into the pulleys and the brackets come back, we'll get them welded on each corner. We'll mount the motors. We have everything else to do it. It's just, it'll probably take a day, day and a half once the brackets come back. Other than that, that's all I got. Blue Devil Decks. Keep you posted.